So welcome to Central Park. So I talked just before about the transformation and this vision led by Alex Tzannes, one of the great architects of Sydney, someone who's really understood adaptive reuse, which is what we see here, particularly represented here in the brewery building, which, in the workings of the old brewery, all the heating and the process of the beer making occurred in here. Now, interestingly, this building serves two functions. One, it generates hot and cold water for the precinct around it through a trigeneration plant located in the basement with these massive exhaust stacks you can see on the top. It's also recently become the home to Block and Afterpay because this neighborhood is really demonstrating itself as a go-to place for scaling tech. And so when Block were casting all around the neighborhood for where might be their long-term home in Sydney, this building was it. And what's so lovely about the way Block and the owners here have gone about retaining both the visual history, you can see the ferns that have started to emerge out the side of the building, but importantly on the inside, yes, you had this long use as at the center of the brewing function, but then it spent many years as an abandoned building. And so it's full of graffiti, tags, different bits of artwork of a different type. But importantly, they've been retained. And so that visual experience of the many different layers of history of the building have been retained. What's also been really important is having an amazing facility like the Central Park Mall here, having a cinema, having a space like Fortress, which is Sydney's only PC gaming center. You have the largest gaming arena of its type anywhere in Sydney. And for those that are into that, it's pretty amazing. But what Fortress have also done, they've created this beautiful old English style tavern where you play table games. And so the kids who are now starting to get into Dungeons and Dragons as geeks of a previous generation did are learning to do that here. And it has all the other usual, in here, up on the third and fourth floors. Oh, really? Double height gaming arena. So you can be watching someone PC game on a 20-foot screen. And then in the room next to that is an old English tavern. We'll have to go for drinks there the next time.
Some Dungeons and Dragons.
Exactly. And then down in the basement, you've got a cinema, you've got a supermarket. It's all those pieces of infrastructure that make a place compelling and sticky. And then connected back to the campus just behind us. And so, all these things happen here. You've got a great square. And part of the design of this place was to make sure that as they built it, that the park serviced the community of Chippendale, who for 100 years, never had access to this space. Let's keep going. We're going to explore and talk about some galleries.